And we've got them in copper, bronze, silver and gold. They are only tiny, but gorgeous. So they'll be on sale shortly. Right folks, I'm just going to do another flower, but I'm doing them in squares. It may work, it may not. We shall see. And I think I'm just going to do 5. Yeah, I think we'll just do 5 to start with. Let's just see how it goes. I'm all fingers and thumbs at the moment. My fingers don't want to work. I've been pain-free, touch wood. I've been pain-free for quite a while. It comes and goes with the weather, I'm sure it is. And yet the doctors, they don't seem to get that. Unless it happens to them, they don't get it. And they think it's a fallacy that your aches and pains come and go with the weather. And sometimes that's what happens. Anyway, let's have a look, see where we go from here. Needle and thread. I'll use this up what I've got for you. Come on. I've got some already threaded, but it's a tiny needle. Oh my. Won't be much cop to me. Okie dokie. So I'm going to, what am I going to do that way? Yeah. I'm going to start here. And just run the needle across the top. But hey, wait a minute. That's it. Oi, nearly got it wrong. You know, when you do so many flowers, remembering how to do them all, it's a nightmare. Because I do so many and they're all done. I mean, a lot of them are roughly the same, but a lot of them are different. And it's remembering. Let me see. So just do your squares, turn them into triangles, and with the open ends away from you. I can't grab these needles, look. Alright, so we're just doing them away from us. Okay. Oh, so that's that bit. Now, just do it again. Turn the open ends away from you. And that's what you're going to join on. From there to there. Just grab that. Sorry, I didn't know if I was in view or not. Oh, God. It's remembering everything. So basically, all I'm doing is I've done 5 squares, corner to corner, open end away from you, and just attach one on top of the other. It don't matter if that's a little bit sticky out, don't matter. Okay, now we've got to that. That's the last one. And you're just going to put it underneath and put that one on top. And we're going to do that. Just cross them over. Stitch to the end. And then, oh, don't stab yourself like I've just done. Pull it. Just pull. Like I said. Ooh. Just keep pulling that. And then all I'm going to do is stitch across the bottom section and go back and forth. So crisscross the pattern underneath at the bottom. I mean, you might do this differently, but for those who don't know, and I'm just sharing a technique, that's all it is. Well, I can grab my needle, it's too thin for me. So now you can either have it as a bud, or we can open it up. See, you can have it as an open flower or a bud, like that. And so what I'm going to do is just to stitch this one off. Like that. Grab some stamen. Let's do some black. What do you think? You don't need many. That'll do. Now what I do, a little bit of glue on there, twist, and then all you have to do is to find the centre in there. There you go, and poke that through. And then what I do is I'll open it up, add a dot of glue just inside, and then pull that in. And there. Now you can close it up like a bud, but then you can do another row around that, and I think that's what I'm going to do. Ow. Now you can carry on and go round and round and round by doing a row of these, and once you've done the row you can just wrap it round the flower, but I'm not sure how many I'm going to use, so get that out. I'm not sure how thick I want mine or anything, but you take that and then you can just build on it, see, like that. So I'm going to do, I'm going to do a couple more. Right, now what I forgot to do was do that bit there, like a silly bugger. Hey, never mind. Because if you make a mistake like that, easy to correct it. You pull this down one end and stitch, which will hold that tight, and go straight back the other side, straight through it all. See, like that. Easily fixed. Not a problem. Most people have gone, oh, and thrown it in the bin and started again. Nope. No need to. I'm just going to add that there. Don't they look pretty when you build them out? Okay. Oh, I can't pick them up with my fingers. Oh my God. Let me just get some more of that thread. You do need a strong thread because these you have to pull, and you pull in a lot of fabric. You know. I'm keeping my eye out on the traffic because I'm expecting a parcel, but I don't know. I don't know what's gone wrong with the mail. It's not delivering like it was. We're getting willy-nilly times. It's just crazy. It's just gone to pot. The whole fucking country's gone to pot. But those who wear the bad ones will soon pay the price for being a bugger. That's what I believe anyway. Looks like poor old Boris is in trouble. But then again, that's what the elite do. Right, pull it like that. And then we can just tie that off. Oh, bugger off. Okie dokie. Again, just open that up. Doesn't matter which way you do it, you can have them either way, whichever fits best. And like that, like that. And I could loosen that off a little bit if I wanted to. But I'm quite happy with it the way it is. And then that's going to go there like that. Doesn't that look pretty? And I think I need one more to get the size of flower that I want. And then that's going to fit just nicely on there. And there you go. That's how you do them. Like I say, you can open that out. You just cut that then. Let's just chop that off. And then what we do is take a bit of felt, which I've got a bit here. Now that's too big, but I will cut it down when it's on. I wanted to put a leaf on that one, just so to show you. I'm going to use the large needle this time. That's too scrawny for my hands. I've got some like a crushed ribbon and it's absolutely gorgeous. And I don't really use it that often. So I've got it in a like a jade lime green, burgundy, not burgundy, lavender, and this, which is like a greeny brown. So I'm going to use this one. So all I'm going to do is to fold that down. In actual fact, I'm going to fold it down from there, and then we fold that again, and then cut that. Just that's to show how much I need. Okay, just fold that up. And then, like I say, it's from that corner up to the, so corner up to the middle of the top. And you just give it a tacking stitch. Sew across. Oh, it's quite stiff to sew. Interesting. Fold that side down and continue. to the end again. And then just pull it straight like that, and you've created yourself a leaf. Oh, glue stuck to my finger. Take your glue. I'm going to have it, oh God, the open side this way. You could have it that way if you wanted to. See, like that. But I'm going to have it like this. Make it a little bit more interesting. And then just pop that underneath like that. And we do the same again. I know some people only put one leaf on, but I actually prefer two. It just gives it a more natural look, and it fills it out, basically. You know, so you want them to look as real or as natural as possible. I'm not sure if you've seen any of that. Just making a leaf. So, just in case you didn't see that, you take a strip, fold that over, cut that off, sew it all along while it's folded, and then you end up with a leaf. And you can use these back to front as well. They all look pretty good. Looks a bit better. There you go. And I mean, we could put another leaf here, but I'm not going to. But that's how I do them. Okay? Thanks for watching. Take care. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye for now.